Hello, my name is Mara Christina Nafario, and I'm from Dumaguete City, Philippines. I strongly believe that I'm a best fit to the position is because I have real estate experience. Mostly I do cold callings for my clients, but I also do follow-up calls, follow-up texts, appointment settings, basically everything that my client wants me to do. I have been working online for almost 9 years already, and I have been into different roles. I became a snippet writer, um, a technical support, a customer support. I also do email, text, and call handling. I became an online English teacher. So I think I'm very flexible with any job or any roles that um, basically my client wants me um, too. So yeah, I am also in thirst of learning, so I want to do new stuff. I also love to learn new things. I can be um or I can work without or with less supervision, and I can also work under pressure. So I hope you consider me I hope you consider me to become one of your team members. Thank you.